阿迪啊，啲女人啊，個個見到我濕鬼晒，你撩下佢啊，小靈玉又嚟㗎啦，我就嚟變太監啊
！He's got the looks, he's got the anger in him, right? He's got the ants, he's just right for the character.
見到佢之後就覺得係呢個啦，呢個又唔算好靚仔，咁啊佢又，但係佢自然你覺得有戲佢呢個新人。
咁啊後尾等咗好耐，原來咧就好似係 Angie 啊導演咧就好中意，覺得我氣質好啱。咁但係就好似公司入邊有其他人又有唔同嘅意見啦，唔夠紅啊嘛。
Because the studio was very much against it, and against him because he had no name. He was not a film actor, nothing.
好生好 raw 啦啲嘢，好生，但係好啱呢個角色嘅，係揾唔到，你做唔翻嘅，亦都你唔會再有呢咁嘅氣質㗎啦。你唔會有啲咁嘅唔知想點，周身唔自然嗰啲，你唔會再有啲咁嘅嘢，已經過咗㗎啦。嗰啲因為有啲嘢你一個電影係唔同嘅，電影好多時候唔係就話你真係識演戲啊，我根本都唔係演緊戲，我係做緊自己啫嘛。根本個角色就係啱我做，我做緊自己啫嘛。阿 Jimmy 姐揾個老豆啊咁樣啊嘛。咁我又揾我老豆咁。
Hey, you know this guy? Yeah.